Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate-covered strawberries. First, choose ripe, firm strawberries with their green tops intact. Gently wash them under cool water, then dry each berry completely. This step is crucial for the chocolate to stick properly. Prepare a baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper. This will be where your dipped strawberries will set. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's melt the chocolate. Opt for a good quality chocolate, whether it's dark, milk, or white, as it truly makes a difference. You can use a double boiler for a gentle melt, or microwave it in 30-second bursts, stirring well after each. The goal is a smooth, lump-free consistency. Avoid overheating, which can cause the chocolate to seize and become unusable. Patience here ensures a beautiful coating. Now for the fun part, dipping. Hold a strawberry by its green stem and submerge it into the melted chocolate, twisting gently to coat evenly. Lift it out and let any extra chocolate drip back into the bowl. Place the dipped berry onto your prepared parchment paper. If you're adding sprinkles, nuts, or a contrasting chocolate drizzle, do it immediately while the chocolate is still wet so it adheres well. Get creative with your designs. Once dipped and decorated, transfer your strawberries to the refrigerator. Let them chill for about 15 to 30 minutes, or until the chocolate is completely firm. For the best taste and texture, enjoy them within 1 to 2 days. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge to keep them fresh. And hey, if you're looking for some fantastic leak-proof containers for meal prep or other kitchen essentials, be sure to check out the link in the description below, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.